To delete a web script, navigate to Scripts, then select the Manage section. Click on the Delete Script button to open the Scripts window. Select the script you want to delete. Ensure that all domain keys, orders, and licenses associated with the script are deleted first before proceeding. Continue to deleting the web script to complete the action. To delete a domain key, navigate to Scripts, then select the Keys section. Click on the View Domain Keys button to view all available domain keys. Select the domain key you want to delete. Click on the Delete Domain Key button to continue. To delete an order that belongs to a web script product, do the following. Navigate to Scripts, then select the Orders section. Click on the Delete Order button to view all available orders. Select the order you want to delete. Ensure that the order isn't associated with any licenses. Click on the Delete Order button to delete the order. To delete a license that belongs to a web script order, do the following. Navigate to Scripts, then select the Licenses section. Click on View All License button to view all licenses. Select the domain license you want to delete. Click on the Delete Domain License button to delete the license.